Everyone, very good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your favorite, as you all know, Captain Swakash. This time I have come up with another idea of showing you how to anchor the vessel. As you all know, anchoring is one of the very frequent operation on board ship. A number of variables and external factors influence the duration and location of an anchoring operation. While the type of seabed is of utmost importance during anchoring, soft, muddy grounds or clay bottoms are the best preferred. It should be taken care that the anchoring bottom is free of power lines, submarine cables, pipelines or rocks. This you can see either from the charts or from the EGDIS. As there are various methods, in this I am going to highlight the most prevalent method for anchorings, which are the let go and walk back. So in the coming video you are going to see that we are going to lower the port anchor and we are going to lower it by using let go method. The principle followed in this method is to let go or let the anchor slip with the cable under its own weight from the hawsepipe. The weight on the cable, windlass, brake holding power and momentum of the vessels are the factors to be controlled by the vessel to ensure the anchor digs in and the cable is subsequently laid to extend backwards. While approaching the anchoring position, the speed of the vessel over ground is brought to zero using engine and helm, and at the same point anchor along with the cable is allowed to run out under its own weight. Once the flukes touch the bottom or chain touch the ground, the engines are moved astern or ahead according to the prevailing conditions of wind and current to attain astern momentum with respect to ground, which will stretch the cable. It can be paid under controlled application of brakes to control the length of the cable from running out completely.
Bridge forward station standby, sir. So आज हम एंकर ड्रॉप करने वाले हैं. We are going to use port anchor and we have with us
Can I speak after you?
Mr. Bossy,
Yes.
Nivrat.
That's me.
That's him. No, guys.
Can I speak? Can I speak?
Yeah, you can speak. You can have.
Please follow my channel, YouTube channel. And subscribe up there. Thank you very much.
So Bossy is experienced, so he's going to tell you all the informations, what all preparations, and how we are going to lower the port side anchor. So Bossy, something for the viewers.
By hands only.
So we are going to lower our port anchor by hand. So to lower anchor, there are two things. One is by let go, gravity, which that is the one which we are going to use, and the other one is walk back. Walk back is applicable for you have to engage on the winch and then lower. So we have already lowered the port anchor till 1 meter over water level, as you can see. So depth के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि how many shekels we are going to lower. So that captain will inform, and यहाँ पे I think approximately 20 meter depth है, तो 3 to 4 shekels will be good enough. I think so. So we have done with all the preparation, remove all the accelerations. Bossy and his team, Toto team, not Yoki team. So Toto team has already done. Stopper, bow stopper. This one is a stopper. This is the chain going through the. It's engaged. Now for the time being, it's being engaged. But when we are going to let go the port anchor, then we are going to disengage it. I'll just show you. And this is our port winch. We can start our port winch from there. So when we are going to start, we are going to get a very big sound, so I won't be able to communicate with you, but what all things we can tell you, I'm going to tell you. So I have along with me cadet with COC. So he's going to explain because this is for the first time he's on board after clearing his exams. So he know much better than me, I think so. So sir,
Taking off.
taking off. What kind of life is he living, man? Okay, so we'll show you everything one by one. So please do like, share, and subscribe.
So guys, as you can see, we were chilling out. We still have half an hour left to lower the port side anchor. So I would like to highlight some of the operational precautions and procedures during anchoring operations. Anchoring must be pre-planned in details, and pre-anchoring meeting must be held to ensure complete understanding of everyone involved in the anchoring operation. The anchorage area must be carefully selected with due regard to relevant safety consideration, including that of possible underwater obstructions. The main engine must be tested astern in a safe area prior to approaching the anchorage. For deep water anchoring, the chief officer must be in charge of the anchor party. Additional officers may be present for training purpose only, and if trained to the master's satisfaction, may supervise shallow water anchoring in calm weather conditions. In deep water, the bosun AB is to be assisted by a competent seaman. This would be an AB or an experienced OS. Less experienced OS and other seamen are to be closely supervised. The anchor must be lowered under power with the vessel stopped as far as possible. Depending on circumstances, the vessel must be stopped over ground when the anchor is let go. Anchor must never be let go from the hose pipe or from the water level when anchoring in deep water, unless it is an emergency. The cable is to be carefully laid out using wind, tides, currents and engine as required until adequate cable is laid out and the vessel is brought up. If necessary, in the master's judgment, the anchoring may be carried out under power with the windlass motor engaged, in which case the cable must never be allowed to come under heavy strain. Due regard should be taken of weather condition and anchoring avoided in rough seas or heavy swells. When anchored, in case of any anticipated deterioration of weather, masters are urged to make an early departure from anchorage to sea, rather than risk damage or difficulties later. Masters are reminded that anchoring equipment let go port anchor to lift a certain weight of cable and anchor, usually 3 shekels of chain or 2 shekels plus the anchor, and anchoring in greater depths may cause difficulty in heaving anchor. Makers' manuals are to be considered for details of ship's equipment. Over ground or with minimum way on the vessels to close off the seabed prior to letting go.
ब्रेक ओपन है क्या? One on deck, brake open. Four on deck, okay, copied sir. Four on deck, final, huh? 4 on deck. One in water, open brake. You can see we have just given a something we have tied, so you can just see one more bar. Hold the brake, 2 in water, holding the brake. Open, 2 in water sir, 2 in water. Open brake, open brake. Yes sir, up and down sir. तीन है क्या? 3 on deck, 3 on deck. Then leading up and down sir. Hold the brake, hold the brake. hold the brake. 3 in water, 3 in water, leading up and down, sir. Holding brake. Hold the brake, okay sir, holding brake. No, like this. हाँ तो यहीं पर है ना, बोल दिया 4 wait let her fall back. 4 on deck. रुक जा wait रुक जा हाँ leading up and down sir. Chain you can see up and down. I can see that it's three above water. You people can also see up and down, and we are giving indication as per the clock. Up and down.
Longing for freedom, my mind couldn't let go. Scenes are slowly playing like a video. Independent in our ways, but the fears won't fade. From imaginary fears, we had to let it.
So we have already applied the brakes, plus the bow stoppers is already being placed. Third officer Mukul Saini, he will not say anything. So see how they are marking it.
Now we are just putting the marking for the cycle so that we can know about the cycles, that how many cycles are in water or on deck, because it's getting too tough when we are letting go anchor. Here we have already put the stopper so that anchor won't go. There's one more marking here. Now we have switch off the anchor power.
How is cable leading? The still up and down, sir. Maybe nothing will go, sir. The put the stopper. Yes, sir. Only stoppers and places. Okay, 4.
So guys, our port anchor brought up. The meaning is vessel is said to be brought up when her way has stopped and she is riding to her anchor with the anchor holding. The terms come to and got her cable are sometimes used to mean the same thing. The officer in charge of an anchor party will know when the vessel is brought up by the cable rising up from the surface towards the hose pipe when the brake is holding it. The vessel should then move towards the anchor, causing the cable to drop back and making a catenary. So this is all about. So that's all for now. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and do share with your friends and family. Thank you so much once again.